Hello and welcome. In this video tutorial we will be watching how we can create an organization DSC for foreign companies. We'll go on create order and select the organization of foreign and select the product type which we require. Then we will get two options, one is traditional and one is paperless. We will go with the paperless in this lecture. Here I have to mention all the details that are related with the company. I will skip to the part where I fill the relevant details. I have filled the application form and now I will explain a few minor details. You have to mention the mobile number with the country code. Generally it makes up to 12 digits. Also make sure that you have mentioned the correct mobile number of the applicant, because now we have provided the feature to enter the mobile number anytime the applicant wants. The applicant will receive a SMS on his mobile number. The message would also include a link. If he clicks on the link, he would be able to see this page. This page contains the details of the applicant along with the option to verify his mobile. He can click on get OTP or enter the OTP which has come with the SMS itself. The OTP is valid for 24 hours. In case the OTP has expired, they can again request a OTP and enter it to verify their mobile number. Moving further, as you know, an eKYC account will be created. So you can set an eKYC ID and a PIN for that account. Following which, you may mention the company's registration ID. This is the registration ID of the company. It is generally available in public registers, which is openly accessible by everybody. The employee code is unique for every individual in an organization. So they have to mention their employee code for the creation of the eKYC account. Now I will accept the terms and conditions. Now the order has been created. The applicant would receive an email which would consist a link for verification of the email ID. They would get a button like this, verify your email, for the verification of the email ID. Moving further, they are requested to record a video. The video will contain the requested documents. They have to speak the dialogues mentioned in the bold letter on the top. The video would be something like this. They will have to speak the text written in bold letter on the top. Also, they are required to show their documents in the video. Following are the documents which are required. They have to show their government issued ID or a organization ID proof, following with a certificate of incorporation, authorization letter from the organization, the existence of the organization which can be verified publicly like a register or a database which is provided by the local government, and the list of directors that contains the name of the authorized signatory or the applicant. These are the documents that are necessary for proceeding with the order. Once you have completed all these prerequisites, then you can send this order for verification and your order will be approved. This is the complete step for foreign organization DSCs. Thank you for listening and I will see you again in the next.